So today I will show you how to create Windows 10 USB bootable drive to install the Windows 10 from USB drive. So first of all, you need to go to Microsoft.com, software download Windows 10 and download the create Windows 10 installation media tools. So don't worry, I will put the link under my video, and you can click that link, go to the page directly. So you download the tools, click download tools. After that, it will start installation. The last step will be create installation media. You select this button and go to next. So all of them are blank, so you cannot change that. Click next. Select choose which media to use. So the first one is use USB. The second one is use DVD. So we select the first one. Click next. Select the USB drive. It's a F drive. So the USB drive you are using must be larger than 8 gigabytes. So I'm using the 16 gigabytes. So click next. It will start downloading Windows 10. So this Windows 10 will be Windows 10 May 2020 update. So after downloading Windows 10, you have option to install all of the current edition Windows 10. Okay, let's wait until it's finished downloading and see what's the next step. So after that, it will show you your USB flash drive is ready. Click finish. No, it's finished. So then you unplug your USB and plug into the computer that you want to install Windows 10. That's it. Bye-bye.